So, you're thinking about switching banks, huh? Tired of the long lines, the endless paperwork, and the feeling like you're just another number? Well, you're not alone. Millions of people are looking for a better banking experience, a bank that values their time and actually makes their lives easier. Enter Relay. But here's the burning question: how long does it actually take to open an account with them? Let's dive in. Now, I know what you're thinking. Opening a bank account? That's gonna take forever. I'll need a passport, a birth certificate, my firstborn child's social security number. Nope. Not with Relay. They've streamlined the process to make it as painless as possible. But let's break it down. First things first, you're going to need a few things: a government-issued ID, your social security number, and a basic understanding of how to use a computer or smartphone. That's it. No hidden requirements, no surprises. Once you've got those essentials, head over to the Relay website or fire up their app. It's clean, it's intuitive, and it won't make your eyes bleed. The sign-up process is straightforward. You'll input your personal information, verify your identity, and link your bank account. And just like that, you're halfway there. Now, here's where things get interesting. Relay prides itself on speed. They claim you can open an account in minutes. Minutes, people. Not days, not weeks, minutes. While it might not be literally minutes for everyone, especially if you're the type of person who takes forever to fill out online forms, the general consensus is that it's pretty darn quick. But what about the verification process? That's where some banks can really drag their feet. Well, Relay has thought of that too. They use advanced verification technology to speed things up. No more waiting around for days for your documents to be reviewed. It's all done digitally, and it's done fast. Once your account is verified, you're good to go. You can start depositing money, transferring funds, and enjoying all the perks that come with being a Relay customer. It's like financial freedom, but without the hassle. So, to answer the burning question, how long does it take to open an account with Relay? In most cases, it's a matter of minutes. But remember, everyone's situation is different. Factors like internet speed, the complexity of your information, and how fast you can type can all impact the overall time. But one thing's for sure, Relay has made it as easy and efficient as possible. They understand that your time is valuable, and they've built their platform around that principle. So, if you're tired of traditional banks and you're looking for a faster, more convenient way to manage your money, Relay might be worth checking out. And remember, the best way to find out is to give it a try yourself. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.